Thank you for letting us share Squigl with you. Squigl is unique in that the process begins with text instead of images or design. Starting with a custom project, we create a title and type, paste, or speak the text into the script box. Next, there are 3 ways to transform your script to audio. You can upload an MP3 or WAV file provided by professional voice talent or an external source. You can record your voice inside of Squigl, or you can use one of our machine voices for faster results, like creating drafts for review. With our audio in place, we can approach keyword selection in 2 ways. For this, we're going to let Squigl's AI review our script, identifying important keywords and selecting appropriate images from our database on our behalf. Once Squigl is finished, it takes us to our edit screen. Here we see our script with underlined keywords with their associated glyphs on the timeline below. And to the right is the first cut of our video. We can add more glyphs by selecting keywords in the timeline, and we can change or remove glyphs from the timeline using glyph options. Once all of our glyphs are selected, we can easily time the glyphs to the voice track by selecting the bar between glyphs and adjusting where one ends and the next begins. Now it's simple to group our glyphs on a single frame together using the templates provided. In the options screen, we can modify glyphs, change their colors, and even add designed backgrounds to bring Squigl videos into brand compliance, adding confidence for your viewers of the content source. Collaboration features make it easy to share with other Squigl users for collaboration and project handoffs. Finalizing the video makes it ready to share, receive feedback, and create editable versions. When completed, your project assets are ready for use. Your audio file, your video file, and other files for accessibility and compliance. We hope you see how easy it is to create compelling videos in Squigl, and we thank you for your time.